Hello students, how are you all? Are you fine? Okay. Now see, today we will learn the new topic measurement. Okay. See lesson number 8 and page number 95, measurement lesson. In this module we will learn the pre-number concept. See, already we learned this pre-number concept in our first chapter. Pre-number concept means see, near, far, thin, thick, longer, shorter, inside, outside, then top, bottom. These are called pre-number concept, and already we learned this concept. Now in this module again we will learn this pre-number concept, then see comparison, then see thin, thick, tall, shorter, longer. Okay, then see degree of comparison of height, then see the measuring short length in terms of uniform units and non-uniform units, then measurement of weight, then measurement of capacity. Okay, now today we will see the pre-number concept. It is only introduction of this lesson. Now tomorrow I will show you some objects. Okay, today only introduction of this lesson. We will see all concepts. See measurement. measurement, measurement. Now see here. First we will see the distinguish between near and far. Okay students, now see one picture is there. First you just observe this picture. We see in this picture, see tree is there, hen is here, dog, one shelter is here. So first you observe this picture carefully, okay, and then you just solve these question answers. First students, you just tell me near means what? See, something is just very next to me, which is very next to us. Okay, we can see easily. Okay, these are called near. And far means what? See, far is something placed the distance from us, which is away from us. We see that things from far distance, that is called as far. Okay students, now see in this picture we will see the near and far concept. NEAR near and FAR far. See, the first question is the dog is dash the shelter. See, dog is here and see this is the shelter. See, where is the dog? Near the shelter or far the shelter? Yes, near. So already answer is here. NEAR, near the shelter. Okay, the second question is the hen is dash from the shelter. See, hen is here and see where is the hen? Far from the shelter. See, far from the shelter. So FAR, far is our answer. Now third question is the hen is dash the tree. See, tree is here and hen is also here. Then where is the hen? Far or near the tree? Yes, near the tree. So NEAR, near the tree. And the last one, the dog is dash from the tree. See, dog and tree. The dog is far from the tree. Okay, far, FAR. Now turn the page. See here, thin and thick concept. See, this is two books are here. This is the thin book and this is the thick book. Okay, thin, see, see same like as motu patlu. See, this is the patlu and this is the motu. Okay, understood? Now see, some example is here. See, logs, two logs are there. Then they say put a tick correct on the thin object and cross on the thick object. See, which one is thin? This or this? Which one is thin? Yes, this is the thin log and this is the thick of. See, thin thin object, put the correct sign. Okay, and thick object, cross. You just cross here. Okay, then see, next one is longer and shorter. See, two carrots are here. This is the longer carrot. Okay, compared to this carrot. Now see, I have pen and chalk. Okay, then tell me which one is longer, pen or chalk? Yes, pen is the longer compared to this chalk and chalk is shorter compared to this pen. Okay, understood? So, this is the longer carrot and this is the shorter carrot. See, we can compare the length of two objects here. Now, see here, next page, put a correct tick mark on the longer object and a cross on the shorter object. Okay, see, two trains are here, one engine and four bogies are here. See, means 5 plus 4 bogies plus 1 engine 5 and here 2 bogies and 1 engine means 3. Okay, then tell me, here we will compare the longer and shorter. Okay, then see which one is longer, this or this? Yes, this is the longer object, so you just put correct tick mark here, and this is the shorter object, so you just cross here. Okay, see, we compare here longer and shorter. Now next concept is taller and shorter. See, taller, here we see longer and shorter. Now we will see the taller and shorter. See, two buildings are here. See, purple color building is here and pink color building is here. See, we can compare heights of two objects. See, height. See, this pink color building is taller than the purple color building, and the purple color building is shorter than the pink color building. Okay, understood? Now taller and shorter. See, same as, see, one pen and one chalk. Then tell me student, pen is taller or chalk is taller? See, yes, pen is taller and chalk is shorter. Understood? Now see, so then encircle the taller girl. Two girls are here. Encircle the taller girl with red color and the shorter girl with blue color. See, which one is taller? Which one is taller? Yes, this is the taller. See the height of this girl. This is the very heighted girl. So, this is the taller girl. So, you just encircle with red color. Okay. And see, this is the shorter girl. So, you just circle with blue color. Okay. Understood this taller and shorter? Now next page, turn this page, we will see the degree of comparison of height. Okay, three boys are here. Now degree of comparison of height. Okay, then see here, height is the measurement of how tall an object is. Okay, then see, three boys are here. See, 1, 2, 3. See, this is the tall boy. Okay, and the second one is little bit taller than the first one. See, taller. And the third one is tallest compared to these two boys. Third boy is tallest compared to these two boys. See, this is the tall boy, this is the taller. Okay, and this is the tallest. See, ये तो सबसे बड़ा है, tallest. Okay. Then tall, taller, tallest. Then second one is thick and thin. Okay. Then see, This is the thick log. See, 3 logs are here. This is the thick log. But the second one is thicker than the first one. And the third one is thickest compared to these 2 logs. Okay, so thick, thicker and thickest. Understood? Now see, thin. Okay, thin. Thin. और ये second one is thinner and third one is thinnest. See, actually candle thin ही होती है. Okay, पतली होती है. पर ये second one है जो वो इससे भी पतली है. और ये जो थर्ड वन है ये तो सबसे ज़्यादा पतली है. अंडरस्टूड? थिन, थिन, थिनर और थिनेस्ट. ओके, सी नाउ बिग एंड स्मॉल कंसेप्ट. सी हियर 3 houses are here. सी दिस इज द बिग हाउस. एक्चुअली हाउस बिग ही होता है. सो बिग, but the second one is bigger than the first one and the third one is biggest. Okay, ये तो सबसे बड़ा है, biggest. So big, bigger और biggest. Okay, now turn the page. See mouse. See, this is the small mouse. Mouse small ही होता है. Okay, small. But the second one is smaller than the first one. Okay, see, smaller. And the third one is smallest. ये तो सबसे छोटा है, smallest. See, small, smaller, smallest. Okay, mouse small होता है. So this is the small mouse. But the second one is इससे भी ये छोटा है. और ये third one है, ये तो सबसे छोटा है, means smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Now see, trees. See here, 3 trees are here. This is the tall tree, but the second one is taller than the first one. See, taller. And the third one is tallest compared to these 2 trees. Okay, tall, taller, tallest. Now see, short. Short, the crow is shorter than the ostrich. Okay, and the third one is shortest. Okay, this sparrow ये तो इन दोनों में से छोटी है, shortest. Then short, shorter, shortest. Okay, now last one is heavy and light concept. See, heavy. See, the bag is here and this bag is heavy. But this bag is heavier than this bag. Heavier. And this trunk is heaviest compared to this. Okay, heaviest means heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay, then second example is light. See, tell me students. See, pen is here. See, the pen is lightweight. Okay, lightweight means हलकं आहे. हे पेन कसं आहे, हलकं आहे. पण त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त हलका इरेझर आहे आणि त्याच्यापेक्षा सगळ्यात जास्त हलका आहे पेन. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? मीन्स लाइट, लाइटर and lightest. Okay, this is only introduction of this topic. Tomorrow I will show you some objects. Okay, and we will compare these objects. Okay students, bye.